Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add transitions in Capcut. To add transitions in a video in Capcut is super easy. First, open up the Capcut app on your mobile device, and once you're in the home page, tap on New Project. Now, select a video clip or photo you want to use. From your device's camera roll, tap on Multiple Clips and click on Add at the bottom right. Right after you do that, your video that you've added will be presented in the timeline. Go ahead and slide through the video, and for the clip that you've joined in, you will see a white square box with a vertical line between two clips. That's where you can add a transition. Simply tap on that white box, and from the transition option, swipe through the available transitions and then tap on one of the transition you'd like to use for the video clip. After selecting the transition, you can tap on the tick mark. And as you can see, you have now added a transition between clips on the video. Repeat this step for every other transitions you'd like to add onto the clip. Simply choose the transition of your preference and you will then be able to apply your chosen transitions. After you are satisfied, you can export the video by tapping Export at the top right corner and save your project. That's how you can easily add transition between clips in Capcut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Capcut tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.